Drowning in waste, case Lusaka, Zambia. Lusaka generates about 1 million tons of waste annually, 2,700 tons per day, but only half of this is taken to the designated dump site. For years, waste management has emerged as one of the greatest challenges facing Lusaka City. It is not a new problem though, but the volume of waste being generated continues to increase at a faster rate than the ability of the city authorities to improve on the financial and technical resources needed to parallel this growth. Currently, the Lusaka City Council, LCC, is struggling to manage the waste under tight budgets, and highly inadequate and malfunctioning equipment. This is evidenced from the inefficient collection practices with variable levels of service, poor and unhygienic operating practices in the waste management in the city. In most urban areas in Zambia, only a small fraction of the waste generated daily is collected and safely disposed. The rest is anyone's guess. Lusaka City is facing challenges in managing waste because of the indiscriminate illegal dumping and littering, and a public which is seemingly not sensitive to the garbage around it or indeed has any awareness of what represents responsible waste management. There are a lot of illegal players in waste management. But since they are not registered, they do not dump the waste they collect at the designated place, Chunga dump site. Instead, they dump the waste anywhere and mostly at night. There are laws in place that prohibit indiscriminate waste disposal, but people are not sensitive. Enforcing this law has been a challenge. Chunga dump site sits on a 10-acre land, north of Lusaka City. Only a quarter of the land at Chunga dump site is being utilized. The current status of the site looking full are just artificial. The problem is that there is not enough equipment to compact the waste. As a result, the management of this waste has been challenging. In 2014, the Lusaka City Council, LCC, embarked on a project to erect a wall fence around the dump site. The reasons for securing the dump site was simple: to improve the sanitary conditions at the site and to control garbage from spilling over. The wall fence was also meant to deter scavengers from flocking to the dump site. However, 4 years down the line, the situation at Chunga dump site, which is surrounded by residential houses, is more depressing than ever. Indiscriminate or uncoordinated disposal of waste at the dump site by the various waste management companies has not only resulted in shortage of space but has posed a health hazard to people living in the nearby households. Some of the litter from the dump site has found its way on the newly constructed ring road, resulting in a mess. WUMA has the perfect solution to help Lusaka to reduce the waste-induced challenges. We have developed a decentralized waste management and power generation solution named WUMA Ecosystem that helps countries and cities to cope with the increasing waste challenges that they are facing. WUMA Ecosystem recycles the waste into raw materials and energy in the most efficient manner, reducing the waste quantity by over 95%. The small to medium-sized WUMA ecosystems are distributed close to where the waste is generated, thus offering significant waste logistics and power distribution savings in addition to solving the waste problem.